Welcome back everybody to another product review, and today I'll be reviewing the So Slick Unorthodox Cream. Now first of all, I really want to thank the guys down at So Slick for sending me this product my way, all the way from Singapore. And naturally, I'll follow this up with a disclaimer. I was not paid nor promoted to make this video. Everything I'll say is completely based on my own personal experiences, and all opinions are my own. Now with that being clear, let's continue on with the rest of the review. Now, first of all, this comes in a very sturdy plastic jar, and it has a white look to it, while their first product, which I believe is the Unorthodox wax, comes with an all-black look. Well, this one, typical of So Slick, it comes with a very sleek, modern-looking design with the logo on the lid right here. And on the sides, you have the product name, Unorthodox Cream by So Slick. What the product is expected to do, which is to provide a strong hold and a natural finish, and of course made in Singapore. And you have the visual instructions on how to style with it and product ingredients on the side. Now screwing the top open, usually the first thing you would notice is the scent, but not with this one. It is more of a subtle type scent, not too overbearing, not too powerful, which I always appreciate in a hot and humid climate like Singapore, where your product tends to melt, and so the scent becomes a little more powerful. And combined with the hot and humid climate, which is, at least in my experience, with a product that has an overly powerful scent, would make me nauseated. But with this one, the scent level is just right for such a climate. And it has a very fresh and clean cologne scent that is not too artificial. And the product has, it looks creamy, of course, with a slight grayish look to it provided by the clay content right here. It does look very easy to scoop out, which of course it absolutely is. Breaking the product down, very easy. You start to feel a bit of that tackiness right there. But it doesn't feel way too sticky, like it'll give you some kind of tug and pull in there. Now applying it to the hair is, of course, super easy, no tug and pull whatsoever, as expected. Just goes in, does not feel greasy at all. It's just super easy to get it in there. And of course, I want a little more for the sides. Just gonna add a bit more product for the sides and the back. Just a little bit of it on top as well. Now you would notice a little bit of a shine. It's kind of like a low shine right here. Almost natural, depending on how much product you use, but throughout the day, the shine would diminish slightly. It won't really give you a matte look, but it goes down to a natural look at most. Now, even without styling my hair, it already does look pretty good, even with just the little curl I have down here. But I'm just going to first of all style it with my fingers to see, to give a quick demonstration of how much texture it brings out. And the thing I love about this product, the main selling point of this product is versatility. That's what it's made for. It's meant for slick and loose styles, and I just want to demonstrate how versatile this product is, because that is one of the things that I really find enjoyable about this product, because a good paste type product, or in this case modern creams, anything that has like a cream with a clay in it, and not like those slicker creams like Brill cream. I mean like those creams with a bit of clay content or anything to texturize a hair. They're supposed to, well in most cases, unless stated otherwise, provide a lot of versatility, something that will provide you with a very nice textured, loose look, that if you have any waves in your hair, it'll just kind of like ride those waves without controlling them giving them a bit of control, but not dominating them too much that it'll straighten out those waves. It just follows, it just lets the natural pattern of your hair just flow in there. And also a little bit of slickness in order to keep a professional look at work or something, for example, or a job interview. But just down with my fingers, you can see that I have like an effortless texture and flow in there, which I do really like. I mean, usually with clay, you have a bit of that very gritty feel and even a gritty look as well. There is some clay in here, of course, but it doesn't feel like the super dominant ingredient. You feel like everything is just nicely balanced out, and you can tell that there is some volume in there. I actually blow dried my hair a little bit. I just came out of the shower before this video, and I blow dried my hair a little bit as usual. But still, there's that nice boost in volume without anything too excessive. And this is what my hair looks like, finger combed. And now, with a tighter, more combed look, just gonna form a part. And you can tell, again, there is hardly much resistance as you're styling with it, but with both your hands and your comb. It does feel pretty light in your hair. It all kind of feels like a light to medium, but the hold I find on this one is actually more so with a strong hold. You would think of a firm, and that's what I absolutely feel it provides my hair with, more of a firm hold, but towards the lighter side of firm, and basically almost true firm, but it definitely is enough hold to be considered a firm. You can see you can get a little, a really nice forwardness to my pomp. Nice style of textured quiff with grown out sides, of course, earlier, and now with more of a rockabilly pompadour, but this one gives, of course, with a natural shine, more of a drier look. And you can see that it does bring out the comb lines. You can see that it brings a lot of the comb lines, but not letting the comb lines show, have too much of that slick, greasy look as you would with unorthodox water-based pomade. I mean, the kind that's designed for a slicker look, or an oil-based pomade. You can tell that there is a bit of naturalness to it, and somewhat of control, of course. But I really do like the look it provides because it has the versatility that allows you to lean towards a more textured look, as you saw earlier with my finger combed quiff and now with my combed pompadour. And both looks are not in any extreme. Nothing too textured and nothing too slick at both ends of the spectrum. And it provides just enough for both looks, while also making your hair just look like it really does follow its natural pattern and flow. I typically don't use a lot of clay type products, but this is one of my rotation that I really do enjoy on Sundays, for example, when I don't really use a slicker product when I'm in work or school. And if I just need to put something in, I just really like how my natural in terms of finish and style itself, the sculpt of it, it doesn't look too sculpted as with other pomades. It just has that natural flow with a nice amount of control to it. But I'm just raving about this product because I absolutely love the kind of look that this product gives me. Now, the endurance in this one, I mean, of course, endurance is more or less interchangeable with hold. but I would say that the endurance is definitely enough for summer weather or more humid climates. And I noticed that there was a little bit of a collapse throughout the day and a slight loss in volume as well as a bit of poofiness in the sides, but nothing too drastic. And the overall shape of my hair, whether in a combed look or a more textured look, still remains at the end of the day, the end of a full work day or an 8-hour session. And that is without any recombs or restyles. And if you just restyle, sometimes if you feel the product set throughout the day, you would feel a little more tug, a little more resistance as you just restyle your hair. But, well, I mean, not that it's set right now because the product is still fresh, but it is just as easy as restyling it with your fingers or with your comb right now. Now, with that being said, I'll come to the final conclusion, the final verdict on this review. My thoughts on So Slick. It is absolutely an amazing product, mainly because of the versatility, as I mentioned, without going too extreme on the slick and the textured side of the spectrum. And I just really like how it doesn't dominate your hair too much in terms of flow. It just lets the natural pattern of your hair just fall into place while also having a more controlled look at the same time. And I overall really enjoyed this product. The guys at So Slick, they have done it again. I enjoy their Unorthodox wax, but I would say that their Unorthodox cream is my favorite product in their line at the moment. And with that being said, again, a big thank you to the guys down at So Slick. And if you enjoyed this video and learned quite a lot from it, please give it a like, a comment, subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell icon to never miss a single upload. And I'll see you next time on Pomades and Pompadours.